261% means a 61% of this price wise. From here, if I'm considering 1, so from here it's a 38%, here it's a 38%, 61%, here it's a 161% from this 0, because this is a 0 and this is a 1, means this Fibonacci. Okay, so here if it is a neutral triangle, then it is going for the D, then E, then 1 up. There is a chance. To say neutral triangle, it has to go 161%. That has done now. Now, how it behaves near this structure. So there is a chance like it might be coming to the 10,100. So that will be giving like C. A D, usually it has to come at least to the A or to the B. I'll just remove everything. Now there is a chance like it might be doing the neutral triangle. So I'm just considering this as a, this as a B, this as a C. So D has to come at least to the A is down or to the B. To say that as a like D, and after that what will happen, that is for E, and then it will break and go for high. So that will be the neutral triangle. But there is a one more chance. This is like A, B, C, and D. Why I'm saying this as a D? Because it has spent some time and it even crossed the A. Whatever the structure is, this might be the E. So this whole structure is a triangle. There is also a possibility. Why I'm saying this as a triangle or a diametric? Because if you see this time, it is a more time compared to this race. But here it has taken some more time compared to this. So it is not looking like a triangle here, but there is a chance it might be one more neutral triangle here. Like A, again a B, C, and this is the D. After this consolidation, this is upside moment. Whatever structure you look or whatever the theory you look, it looks like one up or a small consolidation, then up. This is a suggestion. If you see in this way, there is also chance. If you see in the whole perspective like A, B, and this is a whole C, because I'm not considering much here, because if you see the only downside movement and if you see this reversal is very much sharper, so I'm just considering this as a time. If you see the time here for the upside to downside, it looks like something is looking like an impulse for me. It is above the 45-degree or whatever it is. And from the upside also, it is near this. So there is a good chance that we are going to see one up. Neutral triangle, there is a good chance. Okay. Or here also we can make a neutral triangle, but here also there is a 161% movement, I hope. Then we can see this. If you see this, there is a good sign. Why I'm saying that? Because that will give a confirmation. When it consolidates, then it is a good sign. Then we might see this. At least to this first and to this second. Okay. And if I see this time wise, it is giving a more clear picture. Because something here also, if you see this downside moment, okay, let's say this is upside moment and then down, then upside, then down. There is looking like a something like a flat or running flat, we can say. Running flat means what it happens. For example, it is like it is spent some time. From here only it starts moving. Then this whole moment is like A and B, and this is for the C. Now this is like A, this is for the B, and this is for the C. So this is totally 1 and 2 for me, and whatever it moved, it is C or 3. If it is C, will correct a little bit and go up. If it is 1 and 2, it is a third wave, then it is consolidate a little bit. If it is like a flat correction, there is a chance of zigzag or else a triangle. There is a 2 possible structure. After that, 1 up. In both case of zigzag, little bit here, it might come and take a support. But if it does a triangle, then it is good sign. A triangle or a consolidation, whatever it is matching. Okay, this is how you need to analyze. And like if you are like trading in an intraday basis, one thing I can say, if you're 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you can add the 200 days moving average. So one hint, a small hint, not all the time, but you can add the 200 days moving average. So I'll say what is you need to see that EMA or moving average. I'll add directly.
Exponential or
Yes, you can. Exponential you can add. No issue. Not simple. For this, like, means what to do, whether stay in a buy or stay in a sell. So you need to do this. So on intraday basis, whenever the price is staying below this, you can look for the sell setup. I mean, if it is below, look for sell. Whenever it is above, look for buy. In lower time frames, I'm saying. As per the daily, it might be something like it is near to this structure. Means still it is below the 200 days moving average. But if you are trading in an intraday like a 5 minutes or a 3 minute structure, then you need to look into this first. For example, it opened down way beyond the what we say moving average, then it tend to move towards the moving average. But look for sell. Means here, whenever it is giving a sell setup or whenever it is giving a sell signal, you can sell for that. But whenever it is above the moving average of 200 days and whenever you are getting a buy signal, then buy. Okay, for example, here if it is above, then don't look for sell to there. Here if it is above, then look for the buy setup. So when you look the buy from here, this is the top and this is the top, and whenever it is crossing, we are going to see the buy. Okay, like here, if it comes below the 200 days moving average, then we are looking for the sell setup. Here it is very like away from the 200 days moving average. You can look a buy, but nowhere it has given the buy signal except here. Okay, it is above, but here it has given a buy setup, means a valid breakout. Then we can consider for the buy. Here below, you can look for sell here. Only for the intraday, I'm telling, not for the positional or something. Okay, only for intraday. That too, if you are following the time frame of 5 minutes or lesser than that, or 15 minutes or 5 minutes. That's it. Okay, you can add this one if you want. Like in yesterday's moment, like it is a consolidation. After this, again a downside. When it crossed, it moved above. This is the 200. If you still go, it might have given signal somewhere around here. 9693 in 15 seconds. Okay, this can be sent. Anything else? Or like if you see the not in 15 minutes, let's go for 1 minute. If you see this internal structure also, we can consider this as a buying, because if you see this total moment for one up, after this will be like a A or B or C or D or E or something like a A. This whole moment is like A, B and C. And this will be like A, this will be like B, and this will be C here or here. Something has started a new structure, right? Because it is spending much more time to this race. Then there is a new impulse. And here also, if you see this is upside moment, and after this long consolidation, don't consider like, okay, if it is reversing suddenly, we can see. But if it is spending some time, there is a chance like it might get one. Here also, again, upside. After that, it tried to broke the low also. But what happened? Again, it start moving upside. So there is. So you need to see the charts like this. So whenever you want to learn from the 1 minute or 5 minutes, because it will give some quick learnings. If you want to trade, you can trade in any time frames. But to learning, please do use a lower time frame, so that the chart behavior you will be learning so quickly and your eyes will be trained. Okay. Any other chart or any stocks you want me to look?
so Dabur and M&M Finance.
Yeah. Yeah. For Dabur, I said, for example, here, if it is consolidating, there is a good chance like it is movement for the one up was pending, but it opened near this. And if you see maybe exactly to the channels downside, we'll see. Just adding the one downside. there is a still chance like it might go one up before it can go any further down. Because if I see this total moment, it is exactly at the channel's downside. If it opens little bit above a 457 or something, there is a good sign. We might be getting a 474. And remember this, just I'm adding the time also, and you can add the time too. Because I said like it has to, but there is a time here. We have a one indicator that is a time. If it is pending, let's say, if you are spending not moving either in the direction like this, there might be chance like it might come before it can go any further up. But if it is like in the halfway, it is moving in a sharper way, then there is a good chance after this consolidation we can move this. Okay, this is like a V reversal. Reversal is sharp. If it consolidates, then it's a very good sign. We'll be getting there. Okay.
Yes.
And one more, finance yourself.
M&M Finance.
NMN.
M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance.
Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, sorry. Mahindra Finance. Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Okay. Similar. It is looking good. Means compared to Dabur, the structure is like something is consolidating here.
Yes, that's what I want to ask.
Yes. And it very much down from the 200 days moving average on the daily basis.
It's good to enter.
Not now. Why I'm saying that? Because if you compare this downside moment, this is not a sharper moment. Okay, if it breaks also, there is a chance like it might spend some time, then it will go upside.
Okay.
Because if I see this structure, if you see this is a downside faster, if you see this downside faster, if you see these rays are not very much fast, right?
Mhm.
So if you see this, what is the faster moment in this? This is the faster moment, and this is the faster moment. Not
So
this
that-
one, not this green moment. I'll say this is a blue. So not this is. So there is a good chance here. There is a consolidation phase. So there is a chance like you need at least one consolidation. So we can say that from here that can happen, but there also at least you need some 100% of the time to this. Like okay, we are going to this, for example, we need to get this, then we can consider this. So that has to happen. For let's say this is only upside moment and then a consolidation. At least it needs to spend some time, that is of 23 June or something. If it is not breaking, or here if something ending like a triangle or something, then we can say something has finished here. So we are going to go one up. It is I say like a early entry, or not confirmatory entry, or not confirmed entry here. If it breaks also, like two-stage confirmation, that has to consider. One is a trend line breakout and lesser time. That has to happen. If we are not getting, we will wait, but we won't enter. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Anything else or any chart you want me to look?
Patil ji, can you go to Dabur again?
Yes, we will.
Yeah. Mm. In that time, you show the time wise, right? Here.
Yes.
So suppose is not breaking within a time, then it's a chance to come down. Simple theory.
Yeah, you can. You can. To say that, for example, if I consider this whole movement, let's say this is the downside now. So whatever here or here, if I'm considering here also, the time wise, it has spent already to this raise. I'm saying, okay, let's say this, now this, now this. There is a one thing. And secondly, let's say this is the one thing for the downside. I'll just change the color so that it will be easy. And now let's say if it is spending much more time compared to this, let's make this. Okay.
Time within time we have to take.
Yes. And this is like now,
Yeah, okay.
this is the impulse for me and this is the correction for me.
Okay.
this might be happen.
Mhm.
Like if you see only this much, again in this also we can ask, like this is the time and this is the time, this I can expect. And from that, if it is not in time, so this can be happen. So this is like simple ABC structures. After that, this will and this will happen, right?
Suppose it will go outside, then we can short the call, na? That it will not break immediately. There is a consolidation.
No, the time wise you need to consider, but time is not a confirmation. Price is for the confirmation.
Okay.
But if it spend 100% with directly, we do not go for the sell. If it is, it can spend 200% and 300% even for the 400% of the time.
Okay.
But whatever, if it is spending some more time, means the time, if it is spending more, there is a good chance like it will give the good breakout. That is in both ways. And if you go like lower time frames, still it is like hourly. So for example, this is the higher, after this, let's say this is the one consolidation. After this is like time spending one. So this is the highest point. After this, it has a consolidation. So now if you see this total from here also, if I see like this is the half time, and for the downside also, if you see from this top and this is the downside, still we have some more time to break this. If it is not breaking, let's say if it is coming to 80% or to the 100%, it is not breaking, then there is a good chance one more down it come first, then it goes. This whole stuff will looks like this. Why I'm saying this, because if I see this total movement after this correction, there is a good chance like it might be doing the structure that of the flat, or at least 80% to this whole structure. 80% to this whole means from here to this. 80% will be like 494. That is again like a pattern which follow like after this sideways movement, one impulse after sideways movement, there is a good chance like it is going to go for the 80%. There is one more pattern. 494 can be seen. But don't enter here, because if it is come near to this structure, let's say if it spend like this here, we won't able to hold this because there is a lot of pressure, or emotionally, even for the financially. So whenever it gives a good confirmation, we can enter whatever the time frame you are trading, trade in that time frame. Like if you're in a 15 minutes, wait for the 15-minute structure to change. If you are in a daily, so wait for the daily structure to change. Okay.
And where we have to put a stop loss in a breakout? Yeah.
In this case, double.
Yeah. Double or anything.
Yeah. Here, like for example, okay, we can take the Dower itself. For example, here it broke. Let's say from only if I'm considering this low, it has broken now. Firstly, this is when it gives a confirmation. Let's say it has given a confirmation now because it has given a breakout in lesser time. If you compare this candles, there is a third or four candle. In the second or third candle, it has broken. Means this is the valid point for me downside. So this will be my stop loss. 451. If I'm entering somewhere around, let's say 455, 450 will be stop loss. Little bit one half point or 1 point you can keep, exactly not to the price. Sometime it will just come to the price and move upside. That happens.
And what is the target? Target where you have to keep?
At least to the, I say, if this is the thing, so you can keep this immediate.
Okay.
Channel stop.
The
Channel stop for the like normal target. But if you want to go for higher, I'll consider this as 80%. So I'll be keeping to the 465. And even I'll add the time to this also. Like the time is whatever it is giving. For example, if it's going in a sideways, it is neither giving a this or not giving this. So I'll exit here also. The time wise, if it's completing. Let's say 15th June is the time. If it comes, fine. If it is not, we'll exit as per the time also. Because there is no strength. It shows there is no strength. Then there is a chance like it might come down before it can go any further down, or even to the downside. Okay. Got it?
Sir, can you say something about neo wave? Wait time then.
Something means, for example, like Elliott wave.
What
It
is
is
the difference between neo and Elliott wave?
the only
That's-
difference which we found is like Elliott wave and a Neo wave. The Neo wave is more logical than the Elliott wave. One is logic here. What is the logic? Because in the earlier in the Neo Elliott wave, that in that like 1940 or 1920s, that might be a good theory to trade. Now so much and so many things have evolved. So there is a chance like here it is losing some of its fame, Elliott wave. But Neo wave, what he done? One is logic. He added the time logic, because something, for example, the if you see this moment for the upside, whatever it is, okay, the price and time. The only earlier we only concentrated on the price, not on the time. Okay, whatever it is. But now, if it is like comparing with the time, for example, this is the price. Someone has took the price here. If it consolidation means there is a chance like the strength of the buyers is good here, right? Because they are absorbing whatever the sell comes, they are buying in this phase. And after that, when they move, this seller's stop loss will be hit here and the price will move a little bit up. This is one consideration, that is the logic and the time. And he added more rules. For example, let's say to consider an impulse. Earlier, we say as per the Elliott wave, he said like 99% is also fine. We can consider that as a 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. What Neo wave has added again, for example, if the strength is like upside for 0 to 100, let's say, if it is coming to the 90%, then what is the strength of the buyer it is showing? No, right? It's like equal to them, that of the sellers. This is a buyer and this is a seller. The time here is equal, more like at least to the 90%. Then this is not an impulse, he said. To consider that as an impulse, it has to go at least above the 61%. It has to reverse. Then only he considered that as an impulse. Otherwise, he considered this as a part of the correction or something else, not impulse at least. So this will give more logic to you, because if I'm considering something like this, I'm holding this as like, okay, this will be the one, and I'm holding for the 3, I'm buying here, buying here, buying here. No use. At least 61%. If it is not, it is something else. Why I'm telling something else? As per the channel also, it will give some confirmation. For example, this, if it consolidation, the next move will be faster. You add the channel, that will match. Okay. For example, this is like a faster downside moment. Then you just add the channel. If it reverse, then your target will be lesser, right? Let's say if it is more to the 100%, then your target will be this. Means every time the price movement for the opposite direction, whatever it is, if it is opposite direction, if it downside, then this is opposite direction. The strength of the opposite direction will tend the further move. Logically, it is correct. So that is, and they added more rules in the Elliott wave. There is only 3 basic rules, but here we can see 11 rules. They have given like a touch point rules and the time rules and the structure rules and alterations, that is there. So it is more accurate than that of the Elliott wave. But again, the Elliott wave is a basic for this Neo wave. Okay. Yes, we'll look into the Catilla. Yeah, not in the buy, because again I say there is something structurally it might come little bit down before it can go further. And if it is like time wise, if it is giving any confirmation, one can. Daily. whatever the structure we are looking in the like a Dauber or something, here it might be similar to that. Means after this long consolidation, it can go to the 80%. Okay, now if you see this downside moment, it is little bit faster. So there is a chance, wait for this small consolidation, whatever it is. If it is spending some time here, it is a good sign that we might be seeing one more up. Okay, we might be doing the neutral triangle, or not a neutral triangle, sorry for that. It's a running flat. So there is a chance it might be doing the running flat. So wait for this, then we can buy. Okay, because if you see this movement also, it's something like a 1 and 2, or if you're considering 3 and 4, if it is 5, then again we need to wait for this correction. If it is a part of 3 also, means third waves, or if it is finished 5 here, and if it's a part of the correction, then we need to wait for this Cadila Healthcare to add. Okay, right. Anything else? Or shall we end the session here? So this is the basic difference. Okay, we will end the session here then. Thank you. Thanks for attending. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you. Thanks a lot. No, yeah. One more message. Is audio is audible? No one is replying. So
Yeah, he's audible.
yeah. Yes, it's fine. Thank you. Thanks a lot.